What is a good supplement for gut health? If you can find a good quality fish oil or cod liver oil, which is high in DHA and EPA lipids, if you can find a probiotic that it has wide range of different varieties as opposed to just being high in one or two, three varieties of probiotics, that's a good one. You need a good digestive enzyme helping you digest the food that you eat and be able to absorb the nutrients from. And you would need a good multivitamin, multi-mineral product that also can feed your whole body. The best way to find good supplements is to follow your practitioner's advice, because there's many supplements out there that are not really doing anything. And for example, the probiotics, by the time they get to the shelf, they're already dead, those bacteria. Or the cod liver oil, if it has a lot of fillers, they put a lot of olive oil or GMO oils inside and very little of the fish oil or cod liver oil. So you want to know where the sources is. If you go to gapsdiet.com, that's a very good source to find clean and effective supplements for gut health.